What's happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back with another shop update. We're back to featuring some new products, and we're really excited to show you what we got today. So, first things first, it's going to be pretty chenille dominant. So, we have the Hairline Large Crystal Hackle. This isn't necessarily a new product for us, but it is a new size. So, we have this on the same product page that you've historically purchased the medium Crystal Hackle, and now you can get large. So this was requested by one of our customers, and in Spawn fashion, we brought in every color. So far more than those three. Moving into a smaller chenille, we got a midge cactus chenille. This stuff is really cool. I'm pretty excited to play with it. I know Pete has played with it a lot in the past, but this is gonna be a really good addition for some smaller bugs. Unlike the Crystal Hackle, this has its own new product page. Pete shot it this week. If you go to our new arrivals section on our website, or if you just search midge cactus chenille, it'll pop up. The photos are phenomenal. All right, this one. I don't know if embarrassing is the right word, but this was one of the first materials I ever played with as a tire. I actually think it was this exact dark olive right here. The chenille, the Hairline chenille in fine. We got it in every color now. So I think there's like 32 colors or something crazy like that. We got all of them here at Spawn Fly Fish. Took us a while to get this in, but again, this was a product that was requested recently, and we brought it in, and in Spawn fashion, every single color. So continuing on. So we brought in those three chenilles. I was perusing the chenille section with Hairline and stumbled upon the synthetic Peacock Pearl chenille. Look at that stuff. It is wild looking. Figured nobody asked for it, but maybe you might want it if you knew it existed. I never even seen it. I don't think I've seen too many people tie with it, but it is a really, really cool product that we are excited to offer to you guys. So that really does it this week in terms of tying, but we do have a couple other products that we want to feature. The weather has turned this week. It's gray, it's cloudy, it's raining, it's low light season. So we just got these back in stock today. This is your guide's choice low light lens from Smith. I'm a huge believer in this. We have a video on them separately, several blogs. They are in a class of their own. If you're not rocking one of these in the wintertime, you're just not seeing the fish as well as you could. That's the easiest way to put it. It's not that you're missing out on anything, you just can't see as well. And these do a phenomenal job. So super, super stoked on that. Especially we've had them out of stock for a while. And then the last product that we have that's new this week, if we go right over here, and then I'll turn around and come to you guys, is the Indicator series here from Rio. So we had a request from a great customer of ours. Again, you guys continue to build out this amazing selection of now over 15,000 products, and we will continue to do this. We want to support you guys. We've reiterated that for years and years. This is just another example of it. So this is an Indicator line from Rio. Pretty excited about this, especially for those of you here locally with steelhead season not too far away. For those of you that like to fish a bead or a nymph, your ability to mend this or stack it downstream is going to be really, really good. So we now have several Indicator lines that we offer here at Spawn, and that comes in sizes 5 weight through 8 weight. So makes a lot of sense. I think that really does it this week in terms of products, and then we'll hop into the fishing report. All right, as you saw on that pano, the gray skies are here. Summer is over. This week, that means two things. End of summer sale is coming to Spawn Fly Fish. Be sure you tune in this weekend to your email. There's some very exciting news, a hint at a new line of products that's coming. We got a sale that's going to be store-wide that we've done historically the last couple times that have gone very, very well. So be sure you tune into your email for that to come. In other news of summer coming over, that brings us to fishing, which we all are super excited about if you live in the Northwest. Although the weather's turning, the fishing is about to get electric. So we got a bunch of rain last night. We got rain coming in the forecast next week. And all those coho and different salmon species that we chase in the ocean are going to be moving in. So we chase them in the ocean, we chase them in the bay, and now it's time to chase them in the rivers. So next week, I think there was one day where we're supposed to get at least an inch of rain. That's going to just flood the system with salmon. It should be a very, very good fishing opportunity. It's time to put away the 4-weight. It's time to bring out the 8-weight. And it's time for an awesome, it's time for an awesome season of salmon fishing. So we're really excited about it. We hope you guys are too. Be sure you tune into your email. If not, look on our website throughout the weekend and into next week because we got some exciting stuff coming. Be sure to hit like, be sure to hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.